Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel Biology Talks and Tales. I am a PhD student and I'm currently working on the impact of plastic and microplastics on the marine life. And plastic is generally very harmful for not just for marine life but ultimately for us, the humans. There is a chemical called bisphenol A, which is used in the plastics, and this chemical mimics the function of estrogen when it goes into our body. So, when plastic is kept, when the food items are stored and kept in the plastic containers for a long time, and most probably on higher temperatures, this particular chemical called bisphenol A leaks into our food and it goes into our body and it dangerously raises the levels of estrogen in our body, which causes very harmful effects like hormonal imbalance, infertility, weight gain, and a lot of problems happen. Now today I'm making this video because I want to do an activity and a very interesting activity, and I just want to find out that me being a single person in a household, how much plastic waste or how much plastic I use personally in my room and in my washroom and in my daily life. Daily, in a random day, how much plastic I use and how much plastic I discard. So let's start the activity. Uh, I will count the items which are made up of plastic, and therefore we will get an idea how much plastic is present just for a one person and in a single room. Three remote controllers all made of plastic. Two remote controllers, plastic. Phone charger, plastic. All these food items I have ordered recently from Food Panda. Plastic wrappers, these are single use plastic. Plastic, 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 plastic. This is also a plastic. This is also a plastic. And this is a plastic. This lamp is also made up of plastic. The fabric of this bag is also a polyester type, so it is also a plastic. This bag of medicines is also plastic. This material is also a plastic. The medicine, the what it is called, whatever it is also a plastic. The stationery is also a plastic, and I have many stationery items which are actually useless and I do not use them. So this is also a plastic. This is a small box for keeping the earbuds and hand free. So this is also made up of plastic. Now this is my dressing table. Most of the items of cosmetic and skincare are made up of plastic. This is a plastic. This oil bottle is plastic. Fairness cream is plastic. Talcum powder. All these things are made up of plastic. So friends, this is not a cardboard. This is also a Tetra Pak is also a plastic because it has a fine covering inside, which actually protects the food. And thank God my glass is made up of steel. Thank God there is a steel as well, and my furniture is also made up of wood. Now let's see the washroom. There's everything is made up of plastic, and this thing is very dangerous because it also contains micro beads which are made up of plastic, most probably made up of plastic. I'm not very much sure, but and these are the primary microplastics. These are tiny microplastics that go into our environment through sewage. It is dumped into the oceans. So these are all plastic. This is all plastic. Shower cap plastic. Everything is plastic. And obviously these buckets are also made up of plastic. So I have decided that I won't buy unnecessary stuff Whether I will try not to buy any stuff which has a plastic packaging, but obviously it is our necessity, and we have to buy many things which come in the plastic bottles. So the best way to reduce the plastic use is not to buy unnecessary thing and unnecessary stuff. Only buy which is required, which is your necessity. So from today and today onwards, I will try not to buy useless stuff and declutter my room, my washroom, and reduce the waste that is produced by buying a lot of stuff. Now, dear friends, kindly comment on my video and tell me other productive and creative ways, convenient ways to reduce the plastic in our households, and how can we put our efforts and put our part in reducing the plastic waste in our environment. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.